WTVA Severe Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Gabe Maynard.
Welcome back at 6:16, and guess what? It's still cold and it's still raining. I'm actually trying to plan my game day outfit right now. Gabe, what are you thinking I should wear?
Definitely bundle up is what I'll say. Maybe a layer, 2, 3. Hey, I'm not judging. Just stay warm as possible as you're heading out the door for your game. I know you're an Ole Miss fan. Unfortunate, I know. But for State, it's going to be even colder because it's going to be a night game. So even though we love night games there in Starkville, it's going to be a time to bundle up. Now, out the door right now, we are still dealing with a little bit of rainfall, just some light precipitation, nothing too major. Now, our northern neighbors getting a little bit of snowfall, so it shows that temperature change, dropping below freezing, causing that snowfall to take place, but not affecting our area here in Mississippi. Luckily for us, we're still getting that rainfall. Now, we are seeing that sharp temperature gradient from that yellow to the blue. Now, that transition is dropping it from 60, 50, down to 40 and 30. So we're seeing that line still making its way through northeast Mississippi. So going to have a few 50s, a few 30s. It just depends on where you are and where you're at. So live look there in West Point right now. You're seeing those breezy conditions as it flag over on the left side of the screen. 45 degrees right now. So it's starting to transition into the 30-degree mark. But as we get into the later morning time, all of us are going to be up into the upper 40s. Seeing 49 as our high by around 3 o'clock. Now chances of rain do drop as we head into the mid-morning period because that line is continuing to make its way on through and we'll have dry air on the back end of it. Cloud cover will be clearing out as we get into the afternoon period, but increasing yet again as we head overnight. And those winds going to be coming from the north, giving us that chillier conditions, but also going to be cooling those temperatures off even more so than what it will feel like outside. So we saw 43, 45 as our temperature around the noon hour. Well, here with that wind, we're seeing it anywhere from the upper 30s to the low 40s. Now, those same conditions can be felt as we head into the 5 o'clock hour, keeping those temperatures in regards to the feel-like temperatures in the upper 30s, low 40s. So it's not going to be much change in regards to how it will feel outside. I know when I say I'm cold all the time, no matter what temperature it is. It all just feels the same to me. I guess that's that Mississippi blood in me. Now, at 10 o'clock, you're still seeing those temperatures sitting there in the lower 30s, upper 20s. So it's going to drop off quickly and to be quite cold heading out the door, especially overnight. Now, it is causing a freeze warning off towards our southern counties, especially Golden Triangle area on south until Sunday around 9 o'clock. Now, us up north, we don't have a warning yet, but I do expect those temperatures to be at or near freezing. Now, this rainfall will clear out, making its way in that northeast trend, leaving behind clear skies for the most part. A few passing clouds as we reach the noon hour. Now, as we head into the afternoon, I know Ole Miss is playing at 2:30. Should be good to go for game time, just a little bit chilly heading out the door. And same thing down there towards Starkville as you're heading into the 6 o'clock game time. Maybe a few passing clouds, but that's going to be the worst of it. Now, as we enter Sunday morning, we'll still have those clear skies, a few passing clouds. We enter the noon hour, but mainly clear conditions all throughout our Sunday, so it's going to be an enjoyable day after we dealt with this rainfall this morning. Now, that will be the case as we head into Monday morning as well with a few passing clouds off towards our southern counties. But again, those freeze warnings are in effect Sunday morning and Monday morning going to be the case. Chances of rain do increase as we head into Monday evening and Tuesday morning, but a very consistent forecast in regards to temperatures. Highs there in the upper 40s, low 50s, and then lows going to be in the upper 20s, low to mid 30s. So just a chilly week ahead is all I can say to you guys. Prepare, bundle up, and stay warm.